good night. My name is Eddie Ayael Flores Morales. My teacher is Santiago Bautista Fuentes. This subject is trigonometric and introduction to statistics. And finally, my campus is CCM. Well, first at first, one of the important strategies that we have to do in my team to have this goal was to separate the whole team because, well, we don't match our times to record this video, so we decide to separate and have our our key activity by ourselves. And all of this it's original for me. It's a different state than my other teammates, my other before teammates, and well, that's all. I think that the most important thing about this key activity is how to know to use Desmos because it helps a lot of to do some graphics and obviously to predict some things. And well, the most important thing I think that it's about this type of exercise are to know how to predict with some cycles and well have a lot of uses in our world. First, or the temperature, for example, that it's the key activity example. It helps us about the economy, the agriculture, the transport, etc. But in other cases, all the humanity likes to have predictions about what is going to happen after the things like the lunar, well, the moon cycle, the sun cycle, the woman cycle because it's an biological cycle that happens every month, and well, as we know, a cycle is that a period of time that the things happens again and again and again, and we can predict. Well, my collaboration in this key activity, I think it's very important because, as I mentioned before, all of our teammates by ourselves do another team key activity. So I did everything in this one because it's mine. I did the prediction, the results, the procedure, the graphic, the Desmos, etc., etc., etc. And well, the most challenging thing in this key activity, as I mentioned before, it was do it alone because I have like 6 or 7 hours to do it. So, well, that's because it was difficult. And I don't have any video about my latest teammate doing this activity because we usually do it in our houses or in our free time that we don't coincide in some things. And well, when we have a teammate, sorry, we consider obviously or all of our ideas. So we consider to include in the document if it was rentable and if we like about that. And if we don't like it, we listen so we have another point of view about the other persons. And well, in my other team, in when I have a team, my contribution was very important because I did the procedures of the latest part and 2 of the 4 questions, and well, I was preparing all of this type of video, but I don't have any video about us doing this activity, so I cannot prove, but I have there my procedures and my results and all of that. And well, I think that this activity uh, helped me to know how to take our times in obviously in teams, because if it was not for that thing, we we have already finished ago, minutes or hours ago. And well, thanks for my teacher that I have the opportunity to do it with other date bank and other graphics that I graphic because obviously I don't have the same that I have when I was in my team. So well, that's all from my key activity, and that's all. Bye.